Hello, dear guests, dear colleagues, welcome. The first question is, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you. And thank you for your interest in the International Joint Doctoral Program, Governance and Economics in the Public Sector. My name is Jan Stere. I'm a full professor at the Faculty of Public Administration, the University of Ljubljana, and the head of the program. In the next few minutes, I will introduce you to the key elements of this unique and dynamic program. My presentation is structured into three main parts, each focusing on a core aspect of the doctoral experience we offer. First, I will introduce who we are and what we do, including our university and faculty. Then I will present the content and structure of the joint doctoral program, governance and economics in the public sector. And finally, I will explain the key benefits of the program and what kind of knowledge, competencies, and opportunities it offers to future doctoral students. And who we are. The Faculty of Public Administration is a full member of the University of Ljubljana. For more than 100 years, the University of Ljubljana has been the largest and oldest university in Slovenia. The University of Ljubljana is among the top 3% of universities worldwide. Currently, the University of Ljubljana has 26 full members, and the University of Ljubljana, as I said, is among the top 3% of universities worldwide, which means that we are quite good university, and also good faculty. About our faculty of public administration, with almost 1,000 students, 75 employees, and around 40, 50 occasional and external experts, is an institution with a long tradition. Since its foundation in 1956, has evolved and grown from a School of Public Administration to a Faculty of Public Administration in 2003. We are a leading institution in the field of administrative science in Slovenia. Faculty of Public Administration is a highly interdisciplinary faculty with various research areas such as administration, law, organization, economics, management, public finance, HRM, informatics, and so on. The faculty offers three first cycle degree programs, two second cycle degree programs, and a joint international doctoral program in cooperation with the University of Rijeka, Croatia. We cooperate with more than 80 international partner universities. The quality of our work is confirmed by various accreditation procedures. In addition to national accreditation, the Faculty of Public Administration has also received the prestigious accreditation of the European Association for Public Administration for its first and second cycle programs. That was a brief general introduction. Let us now look at the details of the joint doctoral program, governance and economics in the public sector, and also the admission requirements. The joint doctoral program is aimed at candidates who work or intend to work in professions that require and expect scientific research activities in the field of public administration, public sector, and business sciences. This means studying, designing, developing, and applying new methods, technologies, and knowledge in the field of governance and economics in public sector. The program is important for the development of administrative sciences, as it enables to the further transformation of administration towards modern, democratically oriented administrations. Then the development of business sciences for the public sector, the development of existing and new educational programs and scientific research in the field of administrative and business sciences, and the updating administrative and business practices in public sector. The doctoral program aims to follow the modern scientific research and development trends in the field of administrative and business systems, in which, as an upgrade of administrative law, the principles belonging to the intersection of the fields of management, economics, public finance, then organization and informatics of the public sector, as well as to the ideas of new ways of functioning of public administration and the public sector, are increasingly put into practice. The doctoral program is therefore very inter and multidisciplinary, which corresponds to the character of scientific research on the one hand and the most demanding professional work on the other. And about some general information about the study program, as I already said, the program is called Governance and Economics in the Public Sector. It is a joint doctoral program. Joint doctoral program means that it is carried out by two universities or two faculties, namely the Faculty of Public Administration of the University of Ljubljana and the Faculty of Economics and Business of the University of Rijeka, Croatia. This is the first cycle program, which lasts 3 years and is weighted with 180 ECTS, 60 ECTS for each academic year. The joint program is open to graduates on following programs: second cycle programs, then former masters or specialization programs, then former specialization programs if they have completed a higher professional program, then study programs for professions covered by EU directives with 300 ECTS, or other integrated master's programs with 300 ECTS, and also previous study programs leading to a bachelor's degree that were completed before 11 June 2004. During the study program, a grade point average of at least 7.5 in Slovenia and 3.5 in Croatia must be achieved at all previous study levels, and applications with a lower grade point average must submit a recommendation from at least one university professor who is familiar with the potential applicants' academic record. Applications with foreign qualifications must obtain a decision of the recognition of foreign educational qualifications as part of the admission procedure. And why study joint doctoral program Governance and Economics in Public Sector? I think the most important or very interesting things is this interdisciplinary nature of the program. This interdisciplinary nature of program is a major strength of the program and reflects the interdisciplinary nature of the public sector. With the joint doctoral program, students acquires various general competencies such as an in-depth understanding of theoretical concepts in the field of administrative and business science, and also the ability to transfer knowledge into practice. Then the ability to independently develop new knowledge, skills, also techniques, practices, and materials through research work. Then the ability to set up, design, and carry out an extensive research process. Then the ability to critically analyze, evaluate, and synthesize complex ideas to solve the most demanding problems by testing and improving known solutions and creating new ones at national and international level, and so on, so on. And let's take a look at the structure of the program. The doctoral program lasts 3 years or 6 semesters and includes lectures, doctoral seminars, individual work guided and supported by mentor. And there are also other forms of study, such as, for example, attending academic conferences, participating in training, attending research forums at different institutions, then contact with a mentor, and yes, writing dissertation. In addition to the regular study requirements, the student must publish at least one scientific article in the field of the doctoral thesis by the end of the doctoral program. As I said, each academic year consists of 60 ECTS, which means students must to complete 180 ECTS to graduate. Of this 180 ECTS, 30 ECTS must be obtained at the partner university. In first year, 10 ECTS, in second year, 15, in the last third year, 3 ECTS. In the first year, you can see here program structure. In the first year, students must take 2 core subjects. The first one is development of public administration, and then philosophy of economics and application of micro and macro economics. In consultation with the mentor, depending on the final thesis, students choose one elective course. In addition, students also conduct individual research and a doctoral seminar. Part of this is the preparation of the dissertation. In the second year, students can choose between 2 modules, public governance and economics module. The interdisciplinary character of the program is further enhanced by the choice of electives and electives in 4 different areas: IT, economics, organization, and law. The commitments for the second year also include individual research work and a doctoral seminar. Confirmation of the dissertation topic is then one of the requirements for enrollment in the third year. Students can choose from over 30 electives or 30 courses from our faculty, also from other faculties. Each of the following electives is worth 5 ECTS points. Students can also participate in various international exchange programs like Erasmus, Basilius, CEPUS, and also there fulfill individual commitments at other universities abroad. In the third year, students complete an individual research paper, the final doctoral seminar, and defend their dissertation. In addition to the regular study requirements, the students must publish, as I said, this is very important, at least one scientific article in the field of the dissertation by the end of the doctoral program. As you already know, the program is a cooperation between 2 partner universities, University of Ljubljana and University of Rijeka, Faculty of Public Administration here in Ljubljana, and Faculty of Economics and Business in Rijeka. This means that students must acquire, as I said, at least 30 ECTS in 3 years at the partner university. ECTS can be acquired by taking examinations at a partner university, by completing an individual research work at the partner university, and by participating in doctoral seminars, which can also be completed at the partner university. There are also other options. This includes participation in scientific colloquia, such as summer school, participation in various workshops for doctoral students, and participation in a scientific conference for doctoral students. About application for enrollment, applicants are requested to submit their applications via the online portal EVS by 8th of September 2025, which means by 8th of September, the latest. This date is so very, very important. There are two possibilities. If you are a citizen of EU, then we have the first deadline, which is on 30th of June. And this first deadline is also for other candidates. Second deadline is from 15 July to 18 September, and this second deadline, this second possibility is only for citizens of EU member states. And then accepted candidates will be informed about the further procedure by 15th of September, and enrollment will be completed by last September. So if you are interested in program, then the first task that you have to do is to fulfill this to send. Sorry for this. The first things is that you prepare this application in first or in second possibility. Then about required documents, all this entire application via the EVS portal must include the following: scan of degree certificate, scan all pages of the original document, graduates of the Faculty of Public Administration or graduates of the Faculty of Economics and Business in Rijeka don't need to attach a degree certificate. Then transcript of records for undergraduate and postgraduate level of study, and similar graduates of the University of Ljubljana, Faculty of Public Administration, the Faculty of Economics and Business don't need to attach a transcript of records. Then scan of ID cards for EU citizens or passport for non-EU citizens. Then short chronological description of the entire education, evidence of the content and duration of education, motivational letter, and CV. Usually we ask for CV Europass. And all forums, the list of mentors are published on our website, which is published here on the right up. Students must also provide candidates better must also provide information about their planned dissertation. The information, the topic of the dissertation consists of the concept of dissertation, information of the choice of mentor and possible co-mentor, including the consent of the mentor, then information of the choice of methodology, information of choice of methodology course. There are two possibilities: social sciences, statistic, or optimization models in the public sector. which is made with the consent of mentor, then agreement of the mentor and co-mentor, and information of the choice of I say this methodology course, but I would like to say yes, you choose one course, but later maybe it's good that you attend both these courses. And also for maybe for some for further information, you can contact by email, which is again here on the right side top. Podiplomski is Slovenian word for Slovenian word at fu.uni-lj.si. Uh, Maybe about tuition. The tuition fee for all 3 years is 11,000 euros. There is a possibility of pay in 6 installments, but there is also the possibility of co-financing if the applicant fulfill the requirements according to the decree on co-financing and co-financing of doctoral studies. According to this decree, students who meet the following requirements can be funded. They are enrolled in the first year of doctoral studies and have a grade point average at least 880, which means including the grades of all accredited study requirements in all completed degree programs, or they have regularly advanced to the second and third year of doctoral studies. What is important in the context of co-funding, if you have been funded and don't completed your study, you don't have to repay the funds you received to co-finance your studies. Students are informed of the amount of co-funding by our faculty after enrollment in a doctoral program, usually in November. And based on experience in some last year, I think it's not sure because every year is not the same, but we believe that this co-founding, um, uh, we believe that this sum will be around 85% of everything. So if you have average grade point at least 8, and if you regularly advance to the second and third year, then it's quite cheap this study, which means it will be not a lot of money for to pay. Maybe this amount of conferencing for an individual student depends on the number of enrolled students of all doctoral students at the University of Ljubljana who meet the requirements for co-financing. And as I said, we don't know about number, but based on the co-financing to date, we assume that about 85% of the tuition fees will be co-financed. This would mean, again, that tuition fees would amount to 1,500 euros or a little over 500 euros per year, maybe even less. But these are just assumptions. For exact amount, which may be higher or lower, will be known in November. So if you would like to learn more about the program, explore the admission requirements, or find out who your potential mentor could be, we invited you to visit our website. There you'll find all the necessary information, application forms, and a detailed list of supervisors, potential mentors, involved in the program. And here bottom again, for further information, you can contact us also by email. So that was my presentation, and now I will ask, are there any questions?
Hi, I would like to ask a question, if I may.
Yes, please.
Hi, I'm Iva Trajkovska, and I'm interested in the program, and I'm already in the process of preparing the application. So I have a couple of questions. The first one is mainly related to the module of the program. So I understand that this is for working professionals, and that it's going to be remote, but and part-time. But I would like to ask if there are any compulsory classes that we should take at the university, for example, in Ljubljana or in Rijeka.
Before you attend to a program?
No, during the program. So are we required to come on campus in Rijeka or in Ljubljana
No.
during the years, or
This year and last year, almost all small obligations were via Zoom,
okay, so everything will be online.
online, yes.
Okay, thank you. And one more question. So this is mainly about the application. So and visa requirements. So I'm citizen of a non-EU country. I'm Macedonian, but I work and live in Croatia, in Zagreb. And if I enroll to this program, will I be required any visa, or how is that regulated?
If you live in Slovenia,
I live in Croatia.
yes, then you already have visa for Croatia, or not?
Yes, working visa.
I think your visa for Croatia is, I don't see any problem because if study is online, then you don't need it visa in Slovenia.
Okay.
But if you have some special question about this, please send to our office, student office,
Mhm.
and maybe there is something special. We will ask in our international office, and we will ask also at the university. But if you don't live in Slovenia, then you don't
Yeah,
need it visa.
yeah. I was just wanted to check by if there's maybe any requirement to enroll at the university or
Okay,
something, but
please send this question to office, please, and we will answer you. Okay,
okay, yes.
because sometimes it's not so easy to answer, and it's better is to check everything.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
good. Something more? Are there any questions more?
Sorry, maybe one more question from my side. You mentioned the co-financing and the scholarship. Is there a separate application for that, or is that automatically with the original application?
We needed something from you because you should have grade 8 or more.
Yes.
So we should to collect this information, and then if needed something special from you, we ask you, we send you all everything that we needed, and then some things are going automatically.
Okay, so there is no separate, let's say, documents
All of our
that I need
students, all
to.
of students of this program have this possibility.
Okay, automatically with the submission
Automatically,
of the
yes.
application. Okay.
But as I said, we needed all of this. You should send all of this information. It is not enough just that we said, okay, your grade is 7.5, because for this grade 8.0 should be.
Yeah, but okay, that will be automatically once
Yeah.
the application is submitted via the portal with all the transcripts and the diplomas, then the
Yes.
applicant is considered for scholarship or not.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.